My name is Frank Azalis. I work for Airbus. I work in an engineering department in charge of supporting the sales campaign and customization campaigns for the airlines. For Airbus, safety has always been the priority number one. So it was obvious for Airbus to implement the EDR on our aircraft. Okay, it was a no-brainer. Actually, the turbulence report is calculated and generated on board. It is sent via ACARS or potentially through IP, in case ACARS over IP is selected. And the EDR algorithm is calculated on the ATSU, so the Air Traffic Services Unit, which is the ACARS router for A320, A330 families. And the EDR algorithm is calculated on ACMS side for A350 aircraft. Actually, for A320, A330 and A350 family, all the aircraft will be delivered with the capacity embedded. However, there will be an option to be activated to have this capacity working. So we can expedite the solution because of the solution itself, which is a software solution only, because as said previously, all the aircraft are capable of doing this, and because it's a software modification, it will also ease the retrofit. The issue with the PREP is that it is really subjective to the pilot's observation. We cannot really know if it's a small, medium, hard turbulence. So it's clear that we need to move to an agnostic measurement, and this is the goal of the EDR.